नमस्कार दोस्तों, नॉलेज सेंटर कंप्यूटर में आपका स्वागत है। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड click on bell icon to receive the notification first. Let's start with this class. In this class we are going to discuss HTML list. HTML offer web authors three ways for specifying list of information. In HTML we can create three types of list. UL stands unordered list, second order list, and third is definition list. In unordered list, items using plain bullets. In ordered list, they use a different schemes of number to list your items. And definition list arrange your items in same way as they are arranged in a dictionary way. It means if you want to create a dictionary, we can use DL. If you want to use an ordered list, then we are using OL tag, and for unordered list we are using UL tag. So start with unordered list. Here is mentioned HTML and unordered list. An unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. This list is created by using HTML UL tag. Remember this UL tag. Each item in this mark is a bullet. Let's see. This is HTML code. You have to remember this. There are two important tags we are using. First one is UL and second is LI. UL stands unordered list and LI stands for list item. List item. Okay. So I am copying this code and I will mention and explain you in editor. I am using Notepad and paste this code. What you have to do? HTML head, title, close, head, close, body, start, and then I am mentioning UL for unordered list, LI list item. Number of items you want to display in your list, you can mention here. For example, I am mentioning my student names here: Anil, Amit, Pankaj, and like Radhe. Save this file. When you are saving this file, remember the path of the file. I am saving on desktop, and here list, UL, I mentioned UL list dot HTML. Don't forget to give the extension HTML or HTML. Save this file. Now this file is saved on desktop. You can see UL list. Open this with browser. I am using by Google Firefox, and when you are executing this file, you can see the result of that web page here. That is Amit, Anil, Pankaj, and Radhe. As we mentioned, it will display the result on bullet signs in this format like this. If you want to add the number of items, you can like this copy and again paste it and execute, refresh the page. After saving, you can see the list. In this bullet symbols we are using. There are one another attribute of unordered list, that is type attribute. Type attribute mentions three types of square, disk, and circle. Disk and circle. As you can see on the output screen, these all are disk symbols. By default, disk symbols are there in unordered list. Now we are changing this. And how we can change it? We are mentioning here UL type equal to square. Copy this, or you can mention here. Save this file and refresh the web page. You can check this is now square. If you are mentioning instead of square, I am mentioning circle, and here I am mentioning CIR circle. Save this file and refresh the web page. You can see the difference on this. I think you have got it what is unordered list. Now in this, there is an example I have mentioned. I will add this file with my video in description. You can download it and use it. Next, second list is important list, that is order list. If you want to see the code of this and this code, you can compare. I am Okay, and I am removing this code. This is unordered list code and this is ordered list code. There is a one difference between this and this. In unordered list I am using UL tag and in order list I am using OL tag. So I am changing this code with only tag OL and here OL. Save this file and run same file. You can see 1 2 3 is the by default. It means unordered list by default type is 1 2 3, numeric 1 2 3. Now there is also a type attribute here, 1 Roman I, small I, capital A, small a. It means default case number A like this. We are checking one by one. I am mentioning here this in code. This, I think this is by default, so I am changing with capital I. Save this and refresh the page. You can see the difference like this. Now I am changing the here capital A and save this and refresh the page. ABC. I am mentioning here small a, save the file and refresh the web page. You can see the difference. If I am mentioning here small I, save this Roman number, it will show Roman number again. I think it is clear. These types attributes are with order list. There is another attribute in order list is start. Start, you can also like this start attribute, you can copy like this and you can mention here V. Sorry. And I am mentioning for example here capital A and I am starting here G. Okay, G. Save this. What is the meaning of this? It will type is A but start from G. Save this file and refresh the web page. You can see the ABC is there. Like little bit some problem is there. Copy this and paste the code. Save this and refresh the web page. You can see 4 5 6 is starting number because we have mentioned here start with 4 like this. OL take and here what I type is equal to small a and start with 4. Now save this and execute from here. DEF is there. Okay, and if I am mentioning Roman number I, save this and refresh the web page, it will start 4 5 6 7. Okay, I think it is also clear because in an order list we are using two attribute, type and second one is start. You just mention type and start from where. Instead of 4 I am mentioning here 10. Save this. Now you can see the difference. Start with 10 11 12. Okay, and third one is definition list. It is very good and important list to display the content in dictionary format. Here we are using 4 attributes: DL definition list, definition term, DD data term, or DL for definition list. This is end tag, this is start tag of DL, DT for term, DD term definition. How we can use this? This is code of definition list. I am just copying this and all paste this. You can see definition list as we started OL list and UL list. OL start, OL close, UL start, UL close, DL start and DL close. In both list, order list and unordered list, we were using here allied attribute. You can see here we were using allied tag list item. In here we are using two, DT and DD. DT for displaying the term, B tag for bold. No requirement. If you don't, remove this like this. Now save this file. DT for term or DD description. Here I am using HTML for definition term and description is hypertext markup language, sorry, hypertext markup language, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. Save this file. You can use DT close, DD close, DT close, DD close. It means these are the open text and these are the close text with forward slash. Save this file and refresh the web page and you can see the difference. HTML hypertext. I am adding some code also here. Like definition term, and I am using SQL DT close and then DD description and STR structured query language. Save this and refresh the web page. You can see here structured query language. I'm using small letter, that's why. You can use another. I'm just copy paste this code and this. I'm using here another PNB and mentioning here the term Punjab National Bank. Save this and you can see here it will display the result in this format. I think it is clear. Now conclude. In HTML we are using three types of list: order list, unordered list. Order list and unordered list both are little bit same but giving the different types of output. In order list we are using bullets. In order list, in unordered list we are using bullets. Three bullets are there here: circle, disk and square. By using type attribute we can change this. In order list, OL tag and li for list item. There are 5 type attribute is given. By default, one numeric 1, Roman I, capital I and small a or capital A, uppercase or lowercase. And there is another attribute that is start. You can mention type as well as start. And then definition list, we are using here 3 tags: definition list, that is DL, DD or DT term. I think it is clear. In this, whatever code I have used, I will post this code in description. You can, link is there and you can download or copy this code and access for your practical. If you are facing any problem, mention me comments and tell me. If you like this, thumbs up with thumbs up symbol, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.